I'd like to invite you to join me for a 6-hour home retreat entitled Unveiling Our True Nature. So what is our true nature? For me and for many that I work with, the true nature is open, loving, spacious awareness. That when we investigate very deeply into who we really are and see through the many veils of that, we discover this openness, this loving awareness, a kind of radiance or luminosity that's all embracing. So this retreat is an exploration, investigation into that and to what the veils are that can obscure awareness of this and the embodiment of this and the living of this in our ordinary life. These veils exist on different levels. They exist on conscious levels and also unconscious levels. They exist on the level of the mind, cognition, on the level of feeling in terms of our emotional reactions, and on the level of the body and the subtle body, our somatic experience and the subtle energetic experience of the body. So what we'll be exploring is how to recognize these veils and how to welcome them, how to be with them in a way that supports their unveiling. Because it's very interesting in this process, our true nature is inherent. It's always here. So it's a matter of uncovering, unveiling. It's a revelatory process. So by seeing through what's untrue and feeling through what's untrue, our natural openness, luminous, radiant nature will emerge quite spontaneously. So how do we do that? Well, it's not so much about doing. It's not about efforting. It's much more about attuning and recognizing what these veils are and how they feel and how we sense them in the body and how they show up as core limiting beliefs, and then welcoming them into presence. So we'll be learning a form of meditation to actually rest back in and as that awareness and welcome our experience into it. It's very different than going into the experience with our mind to fix a problem, because we're providing an optimal environment for our conditioned awareness, for these veils to unveil themselves. So this welcoming into presence is one thing we'll be exploring. And we'll also be using a form of meditative inquiry that I've developed, which involves looking at our core limiting beliefs and recognizing them and then letting them go and asking, what is my deepest knowing about this? What's the truth? And then letting go of the question, not going to the mind, and opening to whatever kind of spontaneous response arises. So these will be the two little methods that we'll be exploring to be with your experience. And it's a really open-ended process, but it's a deepening and an opening process that's very spontaneous and quite interesting to explore together. It's a very experiential retreat. We're going to be experiencing this directly, and I think that's one of the beauties of this approach. It's about discovering this for yourself, not just hearing about it, but actually discovering and going through this unveiling process. So that's a little bit about what it's about, and I'd love if you join me and the rest of us. It's a beautiful process.